Congratulations on purchasing our antioxidant facial oil. So just as the label reads, this facial oil gives your skin a boost of antioxidants, which can really help protect and nourish the skin. In this blend, we utilize olive-derived squalane oil, organic evening primrose oil, hemp extract, as well as a little calendula extract. So this product is meant as more of a supplement in your skincare routine. A lot of people can use an oil a couple nights out of the week. Some people can utilize this every night of the week. So when you're first starting out, I really want you to go with the expectation of less is more. And then we can always kind of work in using it more nights out of the week once you kind of see how your skin does with it. So oils are great because they're going to help lock moisture into the skin, and they're kind of going to be supplements in your skincare routine, just like you would have a supplement, a vitamin or nutritional supplement in your daily life. Because it is 100% oil, it's so jam-packed, full of nutrients that are going to be really great for your skin and can help minimize fine lines and wrinkles. It can help minimize sunspots. It can help if you have acne blemishes. It can really help minimize those acne blemishes, but as well as help with the post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation that we can sometimes see with them. So I recommend utilizing any oil as part of your evening skincare routine. So you really only need a little bit. Start off with 1 drop. You can use this as a standalone moisturizer, or you can use it after you use your moisturizer. So just 1 drop, and then you're gonna pat it into the skin. Oils, you don't rub into the skin. Oils sit on top, so you're really just gonna wanna pat that into the skin. If you are somebody that experiences acne, like I said, it is sometimes nice to use this as a sole moisturizer because people that suffer from acne a lot of times are producing too much sebum. So their skin produces an overactive amount of oil. And when you apply an oil on the skin, contrary to popular belief, it can actually help minimize and reduce the amount of oil your skin is naturally producing. So that's why a lot of people with really inflammatory or cystic acne can see great results with utilizing something like this. This is a product that you will also use if you're using any kind of tools or techniques, like if you use gua sha, you really always want to apply an oil prior to using your gua sha, or if you use any of those other kind of tools that require slip and glide to the skin, you always want to apply something like this prior.